These are the kind of days I like to ride. 74 degrees in the morning. I let the sun get a little bit high in the sky because I'm running behind a little bit today, but it's still nice. Just have to face the sun for a little bit. But hey, you go home. Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Just got back from my 20-mile ride, and I thought it would be good to wash my bike before I get my 8,000 miles. I'm almost at 8,000 miles. I'll be doing my 8,000 mile review real soon, if Mama don't stop making noise. So I'll be doing my 8,000 mile review real shortly, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to clean up my bike. And this is what it looks like if you don't wash it for 8,000 miles. I'm just a rider. Anyways, you can see from oil in the chain, I know there's probably people holding their heart right now.
You hear that, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey.
Because it's so dirty. But we'll get it cleaned up and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done here. Yeah, it needs it. But I gotta stay away from the battery and things like that, so it's not gonna be perfect, but at least it'll be really nice when I have to change my tire. Make sure you watch for my next video. My next video will be my 8,000 mile review. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.